The Geely Monjaro 2025 is the SUV that's making waves in the global market, combining bold design, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort at a price that challenges the competition. Built to rival some of the most popular mid-size SUVs in the world, the Monjaro proves that Geely is ready to play in the big leagues. From the outside, the Monjaro 2025 commands attention with its striking design. The front grille is wide and powerful, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give the SUV a sharp and confident face. Strong body lines run across the sides, paired with muscular wheel arches and large alloy wheels, giving it a sporty yet sophisticated stance. The coupe-like roofline and connected LED taillights complete the look, making it one of the most stylish SUVs in its class. Step inside, and the Monjaro feels more like a luxury SUV than a mid-size contender. The cabin is spacious, modern, and packed with technology. A massive digital dashboard stretches across the front, blending a fully digital instrument cluster with a high-resolution infotainment system. Premium materials, soft-touch finishes, and ambient lighting create a first-class feel. Passengers enjoy generous legroom, ventilated seats, and features like a panoramic sunroof that enhances the sense of space. Performance is where the Geely Monjaro 2025 shines even brighter. Depending on the market, it offers powerful yet efficient engine options, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some versions also come with mild hybrid or plug-in hybrid technology, giving drivers a balance between performance and fuel efficiency. With multiple drive modes and available all-wheel drive, the Monjaro handles both city commutes and weekend adventures with ease. On the technology front, Geely has gone all in. The Monjaro 2025 includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. A 540-degree camera system helps with parking and tight maneuvering, while over-the-air updates keep the SUV's software fresh and future-ready. On the technology front, Geely has gone all in. The Monjaro 2025 includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. A 540-degree camera system helps with parking and tight maneuvering, while over-the-air updates keep the SUV's software fresh and future-ready. What makes the Monjaro 2025 truly impressive is its value for money. It offers features and comfort that rival luxury SUVs like the BMW X5 or Lexus RX, but at a fraction of the price. This makes it an attractive option not only for budget-conscious buyers, but also for those who want premium features without paying luxury brand premiums. In conclusion, the Geely Monjaro 2025 isn't just another SUV. It's proof of how far Chinese automakers have come. With its stylish design, high-tech interior, advanced safety, and competitive pricing, the Monjaro is ready to challenge some of the biggest names in the industry. If you're looking for a modern SUV that delivers luxury without the luxury price tag, the Geely Monjaro 2025 deserves a serious look.